Ever wondered how software testing is done? Well, it's a fascinating process, akin to a detective solving a mystery. Software testing is a crucial part of the software development lifecycle. It's the backbone that ensures the quality, functionality, and reliability of the software we use daily. Think of software testing as a safety net, catching bugs, errors, and issues before they reach the end users. This process helps developers identify and fix problems, ensuring that the software performs as intended and provides a seamless user experience. Now let's introduce the two main characters in our software testing story: black box testing and white box testing. Imagine two detectives with different methods. One focuses on the external evidence without knowing the internal workings. That's black box testing. The other, white box testing, understands the internal mechanisms and uses this knowledge to test the system. Now that we've set the stage, it's time to delve deeper into these two types of testing. First, we'll explore the world of black box testing. Imagine you're given a mysterious box. You don't know what's inside, but you can interact with it. You can push buttons, pull levers, or turn a dial. You can observe how the box responds to your actions, but you can't see or understand the internal mechanisms that drive those responses. That's the essence of black box testing. In the realm of software testing, black box testing is about examining the functionality of a software application without peering into its internal structures or workings. It's all about input and output. You provide inputs through actions or data, and then observe the output, the behavior of the software. One of the key advantages of black box testing is its simplicity. You don't need to be a programmer or understand the complex code that powers the software. You just need to know what the software is supposed to do and check if it does it correctly. However, there's a flip side to this coin. Black box testing can sometimes miss out on deeper, more intricate bugs that lie within the internal code of the software. These bugs might not affect the surface-level functionality of the software, but they could create issues down the line. That's a quick look at black box testing. Next, let's switch gears to white box testing. Now, let's uncover the mysteries of white box testing. Imagine being a detective who has the power to see through walls. That's essentially what white box testing is. It's a type of software testing where the internal structure and workings of the software under test are fully transparent to the tester. The process is a bit like solving a puzzle. It begins with a deep understanding of the software's code, its architecture, and its internal mechanics. The tester then creates input data based on this knowledge, runs the software, and examines the output. This thorough examination allows the tester to find hidden bugs that might not be apparent from an external view. One of the significant advantages of white box testing is its thoroughness. Because it looks at the software from the inside, it can catch bugs that might slip through other types of testing. It's like having a second set of eyes that can see things you can't. However, white box testing is not without its challenges. It's complex and requires a solid understanding of programming and system architecture. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those who are up to the task, it can be an invaluable tool in ensuring software quality. That wraps up our discussion on white box testing. Let's recap what we've learned. So, we've explored two key types of software testing today. Let's take a moment to recap. Black box testing is a method where the internal structure of the item being tested is not considered. It's great for assessing system functionality and is often used in validation processes. On the other hand, white box testing involves a detailed examination of internal logic and structure of the code. It's used for checking security holes and broken paths in coding sequences. This method is typically leveraged during the verification process. Both methods have their own merits. Black box testing allows for a broad perspective, focusing on user interaction and experience. White box testing, meanwhile, provides a deep dive into the code, ensuring each part functions as intended. The choice between the two often hinges on your project's specific requirements. Remember, the type of testing you choose depends on the specifics of your project. But no matter what, testing plays a crucial role in delivering quality software.